everybody and welcome back to another one of my videos. My name's Steph. Hi, welcome if you know me already. If you don't, then maybe think about subscribing to my channel and all that jazz down below. Today's video is going to be, I'm going to show you how to marble a cake. Okay, this is just a normal fondant cake. I've iced it with just typical fondant icing. I'm going to show you how to marble it. Okay. You can marble the icing before you put it on, but this way it's just so much easier. So I don't think it's quite so scary as trying to marble it using your hands and mixing it and all that. So I'm going to show you how to marble it easily, and hopefully you'll enjoy this video. Let's get cracking. Right, as I say, as you can see, I've just got a normal sponge mix that I've made up, and I've just iced it with just plain white icing. Okay, now I'm going to marble it. What you need when you're marbling it is you need something to put a bit of water in. Okay, some poly roll and some ordinary paintbrushes. I've got ones that I actually use for my cakes. Okay, and then the colours that you want to marble with. This is going to be my son's birthday cake. I'm making him a fortnight cake, so I'm going to be marbling it with blue and a sort of brown, blacky colour, sort of grey blacky colour. Okay, right, let's get going. Right, I'm going to get me dyes. So I have me black, and where's my blue gone? I've lost my blue. Because it's new, I haven't blue. Okay, now all I'm going to do is, I don't think this one's open yet either. I don't know, let's see. I might go squat right in your face. I've dropped it. Now, as you can tell, I'm not a professional cake maker or a professional cook, but I enjoy cooking. And I think that is the most important thing. You don't have to be a professional cake maker. Don't want to come out. Hold on. I'm going to see if you have to... Oh, you've got to snap off. You've got to cut a bit off the end. See what I mean? Right, anyway. I've done that. Right, just put a bit in your bowl, okay, like that. Okay, that's a bit of my blue, and then on the other side I'm going to put, this one's already open, I know, because I've used this one before. I'm going to put a bit of my black just on the other side, over the other side. The black's more runny. Right, then all I'm going to do, I'm going to screw up my poly roll. I'm going to dump it in the blue. I'm going to start off with the blue, I think. But, I mean, you can do any, get it on your tissue and then just stipple it. So all I'm doing is dabbing it all over the cake. Okay, can you see that? And, some bits will be darker, some bits will be lighter. Okay, don't be scared of it. Just have a bit of fun. This is lovely if you're making a girl cake and you want to do pink and lilac. Is really, really pretty together. I mean, you can like that. Can you see? Right, I'm going to put some around the edges. But use a bit of poly roll for each colour. So if you can do as many colours as you like. You know, just have a bit of fun with it. Okay, until you get, and you see. Well, I do need a bit more blue, so I'm going to do a little bit more blue because I've run out and I need to do around the edges. So I'm going to put a bit more around the edges, and then we shall do the next colour. But don't be scared, just stipple it. Just dab it all over your cake. Okay, and have a bit of fun, because that's what it's all about in the end. Be creative, have fun, enjoy cooking. And I think if you enjoy cooking and enjoy cake making and baking, then it shows. And I think you get sort of a touch of an achievement. Look what I've done, you know. Yeah, look, I don't need to go down to Tesco's and buy a cake from there. I can make my own cake, you know, and it looks beautiful. Right, now you've done that, as you can see. What I've done is stipple it all the way around. Some of it, sorry about the lighting. Right, and then I'm going to do the black. So I'm going to get rid of the blue for now, because I might need to put some more blue on. You can see your arrangement as you go along. Might want to put some more blue on, so I'm going to keep the blue one for now. Anyway, I'm going to do the black. Screw your thing up again, a little bit of black. I'm just going to dab it on again. This is great if you want to do a camouflage cake. Sort of the greens and the blacks and the yellows is brilliant. Absolutely, like, comes out great. I have done it. It looks brilliant. I need a bit more. Like I say, don't be scared. I need a bit more black. Just have fun. So this is the easiest way to marble. You've got a bit more control over your marbling as well. Do it this way than you have if you're folding your dies up. If you're kneading the colours in, this way you have more control over where you put your dye and how much you put on. Okay, so it's a bit more easier to control. I think it's more fun as well. So some bits will come out darker than others, but that's what makes. And if you do a blobby bit, you can always get a new piece of polyroll and just dab some of it off. It will come off right. Just dab it off, you know, and spread it around somewhere else. Okay. Make sure I've done all the bits I want you to do. Don't be scared of it, just have fun. Right, and then you get something sort of like this. Okay, now, your choice, you can either leave it like that and then start decorating it, or you get your paintbrush, you get some clean water and you marble it even more by mixing it together, which is what I'm going to do next. I'm going to get some clean water, and that is the plan. I need to get myself a little cup. No, I should have done this first. I forgot all about it. Typical Steph. Right, got myself a little bowl of water. Okay. Don't make it too wet, but then if you do make it too wet, you can always damp it off again with a bit of polyroll. Now get your paintbrush and just mingle in the colours a bit with just a touch of water. Okay. Just blends the colours a little bit more. Alright, but don't be scared of it. Just have fun. See, the trouble is sometimes with the paintbrush, you sometimes get lines with it. So I suggest, my paintbrush is a bit small really. If you have a bigger paintbrush, so you can see some lines. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get some more polyroll and just dab it again. Dab up some water, and ta-da! You get this lovely marbly effect. I'm going to do the edges, the same bit of water, sorry. I'm supposed to be British, aren't we? I'm just mixing the colours just so it's slightly more marbly. So you don't have to do this, but you can leave it the way I did it before, but just want it to be slightly more marbly and not quite so dotty like me. I'm hoping you can, I'm going to show you properly in a minute. But it does look very effective, and it's great for lots of things. If you're doing a sort of a cloud effect cake, brilliant, because obviously it looks like the sky, and then you've got the dabby bit which makes it look like clouds. This camouflagey bit can be brilliant. If you make it slightly wet, which is I have in some places, just get a bit of Polywell, dab a bit off, because I have dabbed it. I've got a bit of sorry, I've got a bit of with my paintbrush didn't come off. I'm just gonna give it a wipe up. Right, I'm just gonna wipe it a little bit because I've made some of it a bit wet. I'm just gonna dab it. Okay, and then you get this really lovely effect. Can you see? It's a lovely sort of marbly effect. You see? And I'll say it's great for just like for all sorts of things. It's just so pretty. You can put twinkle on it and make it as pretty as elaborate as you want. But obviously this one's going to be for a boy. So, all right, that's what it's got. That's what it's like. Now we're going to start doing the decorations. I'm going to leave it there for now, and I will be doing the next part. I'm going to be adding me fortnight things to the marbly effect. Hopefully you'll come back for that part. Hope you've enjoyed this. Give it a try. Try loads of different colours. You can make it rainbow. You can have as much fun with the marbly effect as you like. Alright, bye. I'm covered in toast. I'll just wait. Alright, bye for now. I'll see you all again soon, hopefully. Bye. Boy, 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 boy. Bye, everybody. Later.